Well, they say you can't teach an old dog new tricks. Well, I think this old dog just learned a new trick. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all know I'm from a small town in Texas, and I've never used Uber in my life. I barely even knew what it was till my son told me about it. So when I come on vacation to Honolulu to see him, I downloaded the Uber app. But anyway, I thought I'd just turn this thing around and show you how easy it is to use. Alright, I'm not going to show you how to download the app and all. I'm sure there's plenty of videos out here that can teach you that, but there's my Uber app, so I'm just going to push it. You can see there's all the Ubers that's around me. That little dot right there is where I am. So I got to put where I'm going. I'm actually here at the Hilton Hawaiian Village in downtown. Well, it's actually out on Waikiki in Honolulu, so I got to put where to. Okay, I'm going to Capitol Place, so I'm just going to type it in. There it is, Capitol Place. That's where I'm staying, 1200 Queen Emma Street, Honolulu. So I just push that, and as you can see, it's finding me an Uber. So what I want to do now is just push confirm Uber. You'll see that'll tell me what the price. I always just use UberX, but if I want a nice Uber or something, you can pick a better one, I guess, but car is a car to me. So confirm. All right, there's the pin. Say I want to get picked up somewhere else, I could actually just move this pin to where I want to get picked up. So right now all I got to do is hit the confirm pickup, and as you can see, it's finding me an Uber. And it's found me one. He's 4 minutes away. It's going to be a Nissan red, and there's the guy's name that's going to pick me up. So as you can see, there he is. Here's where I'm at. I'll be able to actually watch him on the screen come pick me up. Guy's name is Edgardo. He has a 4.8 star rating. There's his picture. It's kind of hard to see. He's driving a Nissan Maxima. It's red. If I want to call him or talk to him, I just flip it up. There's what it's going to cost me for my trip. And if I want to contact him, I can contact him right here. But anyway, here he comes right here. Yes, that's me.
Oh, he's getting a nice look. I saw you went. Okay, Kevin.
Hey man, thanks for the ride, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll see you, and maybe I'll see you again.
Welcome to Hawaii.
Thank you, man. Good ride.
Yeah, you too.
Alright, when you get out, this screen will come up and it'll give you a chance to rate your driver. So I'm going to give Edgardo, I'm going to give him 5 stars. Then if I want to give him a compliment, I can say something like, I'm going to write, how about great ride? Alright. Then if you want to give him a tip, you can. That's not necessary. And you hit done. And there's all there is to it. And you can go over to your email. Pull your email up. Right here's your Uber receipt. Pull it up. There it is, $12.69. Pretty much all there is to it. Well, I know that was a quick little lesson, but hey, if you hadn't ever used Uber before, it's not that hard. So if I can do it, you can do it. So hey, till next time, I'll see you later.